gonna goon so much you may even get tired of gooning.
It's laundry day, Gary.
What the fuck? So we'll be reacting to my Instagram reels. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitch, and let's get it. What did he have that I didn't have? A haircut. So yeah, let's start the video. We're starting with the reels.
Yeah, man. How the furry star, man.
Yeah, let's go.
Patrick Shaffy make your panic. Sandy say you near me, man we love you tragic. Under this year you near me more scratches. Fire for your freaky style, you go the matches. Who are you now back up your line, shut up line, and I'm kind of your yard. Yeah.
Who are you guys supporting, Patrick or SpongeBob?
Crazy. I wanted the freaky sponge. Why start now? Stop to my feel for them back in my face to reach a ground. Yo, crazy. I want to sponge for gun back, dump and bust.
Honestly, I'm not understanding a single word.
That sponge boily dump and gun back. How about that tough chat? Fuck that. Here back and the crusty crab them feel under the dump sack. I will give it them. Tell him to face me them. Anybody in your house, me I go straight at them. The afraid and I baby check. The key for the place myself. Not play with it. Yo, crazy.
Honestly, I don't understand anything. Yo, this crazy though. This is crazy. I'm not understanding shit. Honestly, I love how they are just. Whoever comes up with these ideas, how do they even come up with it, man?
You're funny. Boy, this bun back. Bum back like that in a tummy. You can't be scary, you must stick in your brain. Send spread it then feel like a back up in your face. You are bitching at the place, me a king in the.
Okay, on to the next.
I will not apologize for who I am. I will not apologize for what I need. I will not apologize for what I want.
So, take this chance to send that risky test. And don't apologize. Stand on business, yeah? Subscribe.
Double your gooning rate. Double your gooning rate.
You have to goon at least.
Am I hearing? Hey yo. Double your gooning rate.
2 times an hour every fucking day.
Goon. No result, but I'm a little bit better. Goon. Boom. And it looks like overnight success.
For decades, billionaires and corporate elites have pumped out propaganda claiming gooning is unhealthy, unproductive, shameful.
So, we're going to create a token, and we're going to goon to it, publicly, collectively, repeatedly, to show the world the power of gooning.
According to the Public Nigger Committee's administration,
According to the power of public nigga committee, what the fuck is happening?
the token is set to launch this Friday.
We're gonna goon so much you may even get tired of gooning.
Double your gooning rate.
Honestly, I honestly don't. It's a Sunday and my For You page is fucked up. So double your gooning rate, yeah? Success comes after you goon. Wise words. Yeah, we move on.
Your checking account available balance is 98,600,000.
I'm gonna go f your mom.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go f your mom.
Hey yo. Hold up. Imagine, yeah? You as a child, yeah? You're having an argument with your dad and then you win. And then he comes to your ear and he does. I'm gonna go fuck your mom. Like, bro, why in the first place are you telling me that? Oh my days.
Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us.
Always be toxic.
Lead us not into temptation, but
It's laundry day, Gary.
Hey yo! I didn't know Gary's kicked up like that.
It's laundry day, Gary.
What the fuck?
Why? Make
Pussy not mine, this bitch for us. The gang is what I trust. Skirt don't argue, we don't fuss. Skirt no talking.
Yeah, you know it's all cap when it's yeah.
I can't smoke.
Oh, fuck that. You got somebody else I can talk to? You got a supervisor or something? Oh, fuck that.
I feel like we have all been in this situation before.
You got somebody else I can talk to?
Bitch big, fucking every single guy, yeah, every. And then when it comes to you, she's like, "Oh, I just want to take this slow. You know, you treat me while you're the first guy to ever." When you hear that, run for your life, guys.